What is Fliki AI? Fliki is an AI-powered content creation platform that specializes in text-to-video and text-to-speech. It allows users to create high-quality audio and video content using realistic AI voices and a massive library of stock media, Photo. As of 2026, Fliki has distinguished itself by offering a uniquely intuitive, script-based editing workflow. If you can write a blog post, you can make a video, 5 A features for 2026. Hyper-realistic AI voices. Access to over 2,000 voices in 75 languages. In 2026, these voices include emotional inflections, angry, happy, whispered, that make them nearly indistinguishable from humans, 5. AI video clips, a new feature that automatically generates relevant AI-powered B-roll and clips based on your script context, 10. Blog to video, simply paste a URL and Fliki will summarize the article, select relevant visuals, and create a full video with a voiceover, 5. Idea to video, type a simple prompt, e.g., the history of the Roman Empire, and Fliki will generate the script, find the media, and assemble the entire project. Avatars and voice cloning. For pro users, you can now clone your own voice or use digital avatars to provide a consistent face for your brand without ever picking up a camera. How to use Fliki, a step-by-step tutorial. Start a new project. From your dashboard, click New File. You can choose video or audio only depending on your needs, 1P. Input your script. You have 3 main options. Script, type or paste your dialogue manually. Idea, let the AI write the script for you based on a prompt. Blog, paste a link to an existing article, 3.1. Choose your voice. Click the voice name to open the library. You can filter by language, dialect, gender, and even style, e.g., newsreader storyteller. 1. Customize the visuals. Fliki automatically selects stock footage. If you don't like a clip, click on it to search through millions of premium assets, or generate a custom image using the built-in AI image generator 4.2. Edit the layout. You can adjust subtitles, add background music, and change the aspect ratio, landscape for YouTube, portrait for TikTok Shorts, with a single click, 1 Export and share. Once satisfied, hit Export. In 2026, rendering is faster than ever, usually taking less than 2 minutes for a standard 10-minute video, 5. Fliki versus the competition. Fliki versus InVideo. InVideo is a more traditional, timeline-based editor, which offers more control but takes longer to learn. Fliki is faster for script-to-video workflows, 4. Fliki vs. Pictory. While both are excellent for blog-to-video, Fliki is generally considered to have superior voice quality and a more modern user interface, 3. The verdict, is Fliki right for you? Yes, if you want the fastest possible path from a text idea to a finished video. It is the gold standard for faceless content creators and busy marketers who don't have time for complex video editing software. Would you like me to help you write a 60-second viral script for a faceless YouTube short that you can plug directly into Fliki? Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified for daily updates.